Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this raised soil bed is worth it. Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil Overview. Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is perfect for creating raised beds. This soil mix uses organic ingredients that promote strong root development, improve aeration, and retain moisture. Its ingredients also promote microbial activity, essential in cycling nutrients. Finally, this mix contains natural fertilizers that encourage plant growth. These make Miracle-Gro the perfect soil mix for your herb, vegetable, or fruit garden. What we liked. You can use the Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil in indoor and outdoor gardens. Miracle-Gro's formula retains moisture to reduce frequent watering. This raised bed soil supports high microbial activity, which improves soil health. What we didn't like. This raised bed soil requires frequent replenishing due to its lightweight nature. Features. Ease of use. Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is lightweight at 8 ounces, making it easy to use. You can shake, scoop, and stir it in no time. Additionally, you can use it right out of the bag. To do this, prepare your raised bed and fill it with Miracle-Gro. Once filled, plant your seeds or plants and water to moisten. Finally, add mulch if you wish. You can also mix Miracle-Gro with your garden soil. High-quality ingredients. Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is made of quality natural ingredients. These include peat moss, earthworm castings, coconut coir, and composted forest materials. These ingredients create a balanced growth medium that promotes aeration, drainage, and water absorption. This raised bed soil also contains potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen that facilitate healthy root development and plant growth. A balanced pH level. Finally, Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil has a neutral pH, perfect for most vegetables, fruits, and herbs. You can plant zucchini, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and other plants. Miracle-Gro is also perfect for adjusting your garden soil's pH. Mix it with your soil to achieve this. Who is the Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil best suited for? The Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is suitable for gardeners who want a lightweight, effective, and organic solution to their elevated gardens. Verdict. Should you get the Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil? The Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is an organic, balanced, and effective solution for your garden. Its ingredients make it lightweight and easy to use. Nevertheless, Miracle-Gro Raised Bed Soil is worth exploring to improve your garden. Thanks for watching.